Okay, so the furnace keeps shutting off, and I heard that's because of flame sensors. So what I'm going to do is do a quick clean job of the flame sensor. First, shut off furnace. Second, figure out how to remove this panel. I guess I figured it out. Alright. Looking for the flame sensor. I am thinking that this guy right here, is our flame sensor. This guy right there, I think he's the one who senses the flame. Let's find out how to get that out of there. Don't try this at home. I probably don't know what I'm doing. Okay, this is a better tool. You gotta be careful with sensors. I heard you can't touch them with your hand, as it wears them down. Give me a second. All right, just carefully pull that guy through. There's your heat sensor, and I can see some wear and tear there. So, if you have like a steel wool or some sort of cloth, you can use to clean that. If not, you can use a dollar bill. Give me a second. So obviously with two hands you kind of just like rub all that stuff off of that sensor. Pop that bad boy back in there. Screw that back on. Tighten it up. Turn the heat back on. Now this is cool. If you watch for the igniter to get hot and see if it's going to put out. There it is. You see the igniter getting all hot in there? That's pretty cool. Start to blow and boom!